Yo, what is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. And to be honest with y'all, this really was a confusing situation for me. Haven't made a video in almost a whole week. I know I cut social media off, I cut my Facebook off, I cut Instagram off. It's just purely YouTube right now. I think I needed a vacation, bro. I literally was confused trying to put this vlog together. You know what I mean? Like, your boy was just sitting at the computer looking super lost. I know you picture me like really at the computer editing hard and heavy, and honestly, I'm at the park. You know what I mean? Like, legitly at the park in my castle. Now, don't forget that I edit in a castle. All right. If this vlog seems a bit off, it's because I'm getting back in the groove of things. You know what I mean? Honestly, I just got baptized. I should say that. That's what's going on. I got baptized. Life is good, bro. Life is good. I'm really trying to find my way again with this editing. Shout out to the real subscribers, man. I love you guys. Hopefully you like and enjoy this vlog. If you could hit that like button, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And without further ado, this video is about changing out fz09 grips and the odometer. Yeah, so just watch. Thank you. Bye.
Before this video start, go ahead, hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram, mr20west. Yes, sir. All right.
What is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. Hopefully, I do this right. I did not prepare for today, but today prepared for itself. Sorry, I have been missing in action. There we go. Sorry, I've been missing in action for the past couple of days. I took a social media break. I believe it's important for you to take breaks from social media from time to time because it can be a bit much. And you know, mental health is super important. Today's vlog is going. It's always a lot of traffic when I make videos. I don't know why, man. This studio is way too loud. Today's vlog is. I'll just show you what today's vlog is all about.
Okay. Check that out. You see where I got that from? All right. Grip stick. You see where I'm going with this? Today's vlog, we're actually putting on these grips on the bike. So, I don't know if I said this last video, but I'm putting these bad boys on. Check it out. I'm gonna show you this. Boom, bam. And then I am also going to. I'm relocating my cluster gauge. Yeah, look, it's pretty damaged or whatever. But I'm relocating it because it's broke. I don't know if I showed you this last video, but yeah, it broke. Think about replacing this. I see how to replace that, so that might be a cool thing. Gotta take off the tank and stuff. I'm gonna grease these up. I'm not gonna put that in the video, but yeah. Last video I told you guys I was gonna get grease, and I did. Put that on there. I got some Loctite, so I can put that on the boats. But today's vlog is going to be upgrading the grips. So if you're into that, please stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you. If you're new to this is my 2016 fz09. Yeah, I wrecked it about maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And I'm just rebuilding everything that was broke. Please check out that vlog. It kind of explains everything that's going on. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this vlog started. First thing first, this right here. This is start key. Line that bad boy up. The advantage is having a good camera. This right here is a T50 start tool, and that's gonna be used to take off the bar end. Cause you gotta, of course, take off the bar end to get to the freaking grips. Oh. Yeah, my bar end had better days, bro. Sheesh. This FZ been through a lot, like 5 crashes. So if I ever showed this to somebody and I lied about the crashes, bro, just look at my videos and you'll see that I'm gonna crash this thing about 5 times. I know, like 3 of those times not my fault, 2 of those times definitely my fault. So rebuilding this bike is crazy. All right, next is taking off this. Now, there's 2 ways to do this. You can actually cut it off or you can pull it off. I'm going to attempt to pull it off. Man, that grip is harder than I thought. It's a little stronger too. So I'm just gonna do what everybody else does and cut it. The reason I didn't want to do this is mainly because I'm a bit of a bike hoarder. So I really like keeping stuff like this just in case I need it later. Alright, got that off. Oh, it's really stuck on there tight. So you're gonna need some isopropic alcohol, which we got right here. Don't worry, at the beginning I put all the tools and stuff you need. I don't know why I started this so crazy. I guess I was just excited to start. Boo boo. Go ahead and clean that surface. Clean it off a little bit. And one thing about the new grips are, one thing about it is you can see the throttle. This is the throttle. Same dimension on holes. Boom, bam. The reason I'm saying this is because it's definitely a difference. Alright. So once the surface is clean, right? What you're gonna want to do is put a little goopy goop in here, goopy goop here, goopy goop here, and then help it slide on there. Alright, so this right here is called grip stick. This is what they use on here. ATVs, dirt bikes, motorcycles. Basically, you put the glue on there, then you slide your grip on there, and yeah, there it is. And then you wait. You could wait an hour, 2 hours, but I recommend that you just let it sit there all day on your bike, so you don't have to worry about, oh my god, is it sticking or not. So, alright, I'm gonna be real honest with you. I never did this before, so you know, for my people out there, this is just like, should I do it? Should I do it? Yeah, do it. Try it. You know? Don't put too much on there. I'll spread that around like that. Okay, look at you, Mr. Professor, huh? Hey, this is what I do. Put a little bit in there. Okay, then put a little bit in there. Okay. Now, I bought this off of eBay. I think I paid like $6 for it. I only paid $6 for it because it actually I wanted it here in 3 days and not like forever. So then you slide this bad boy on there like this. It didn't want to go on. Ow! I bought this rubber mallet from Home Depot. It cost me like $6, but it's great. I just been like going ham with it. All right, and then you leave that on there, like I said, all day. I feel like it's an all day thing, but we're gonna pop it off with a nice little flick. Okay, so you're like, how can you make this any more cooler than it already is? Yes, sir. Do you see that? Do you see that? Ooh, yeah. Oh, all that red. All that red. I'm booling on them. I'm big booling on them with this red here, boy. Yeah. Sheesh. Heavy on it. Heavy on it. Feel bad because like you guys are really getting my YouTube fam is really getting some type of good treatment right now. My Instagram fam, man, it's crazy. I bought this off of eBay. I'm gonna put the price up, and I'm gonna put the price up for these. so you can know. I don't want you questioning any of that. Okay, so I found the tee that I'm using for this since it's new. Let's see if I can get close. Alright, it's a T30. If you go with the set that I'm buying right here, I'm gonna put the link in the description for here. Hopefully the seller doesn't change. A lot of times on eBay, the sellers are changed, so you'll be sitting there. I'll give you the seller, but doesn't mean that the seller will still be around. Change that. Okay, sit. Whoo! Oh man, look how dope that is. That looks great. Blood gang. I'm gonna put the grease on there too. But I won't do it on the video because I don't want to go over it or repeat myself. Alright, so so this is the clutch side. Already done. Looking great. Fabulous. Looking fabulous there. And then this is the front brake side and throttle. So what I gotta do is be extra careful when I cut this off. Funny story. You're gonna laugh at me. If you follow my channel, or if you want to, I did a video on this. I actually was putting bar end mirrors on, and I got this thing stuck. Right, this is from the bar end mirrors. You know, it's an adapter. It was universal mirrors. I think I paid $26 for it. Believe it or not, my dumb butt did not install it right, so I had to go back and get these, put my old factory mirrors back on, which is a problem because this one spins round and round. But yeah, you know, it's just a part of doing mods yourself. I don't pay anybody to do these things. I do it all myself. It's not a big, you know, big project. It's just, you know, you want to be different. So all right, let me set up the camera and start doing. All right, hopefully you guys are getting some clean images here. I chose to do this mod during the afternoon, like it's like 5 o'clock here, where the sun is not beaming here in Vegas. So yeah, all right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna peel this back a little bit so we can see where's the throttle tool. Boom. Cool. Look at that. Holy crap. Alright. So, throttle tube off. Well, not throttle tube, but the grip off. Jeez. That's heavy. Again, clean the outer layers of it. The difference that I could see was when I tried to put the one on the throttle on, it wasn't as tight as this one. Was a little too large for it. So test it out, and yeah. All right, ready? Let's go. Don't forget to use your isotopic alcohol to clean that up, whatever you want to call it, on. And I'm put some on the inside of here. Alright, take 2. For the purposes of me, I'm about tired of seeing this. Go ahead and cover that on up like that. Because like it worked, there's no problem in that area. It's just, it just looks crazy janky. Maybe electrical tape looks janky too, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here, clean that off. Can't even tell what's going on. end up disinfecting my whole entire bike, bro. It's alcohol. I mean, isotopic alcohol. I'm just cleaning everything. Like, bro. You just never know. Just clean all of that there. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Alright. So like I said, just let that sit for like a whole day or whatever. And we'll try back. I'll try it out later on, like tomorrow or whatever. Oh yeah, that's nice.